Well, this has been a puzzle. It took me a better part of 3 days to figure out what exactly this thing was. I thought at first it was an oil can. Didn't look right because the spout's off to the side, but I thought, well, maybe it's for like sewing machines or something. Some oddball thing. That's a pretty big spout for such a little oil can. And then when I flipped it over, this canvas just doesn't look like it's going to work for an oil can at all. Now it's got a spring in it, I know that, and it does work. Pumps air out. I don't think it would work to blow dust off of anything though, because it doesn't put out much air. So I looked on the internet and I couldn't find out anything about it. And I noticed that the canvas was looking like it was coming loose, looking like it was tearing out. Got a little hole in it right there. So this isn't something I'm going to be using. When I took the cap off, I noticed that there was dust in here. I thought, well, if it had ever been used as an oiler, it wouldn't have dust. It would have oil. And any dust that went in there would clog all up. And this is just laying on the surface. Wipes off pretty easy too. Just dust. So I went looking for something that was a dust applicator. And I came upon something that was used to apply insecticide, powdered insecticide, like 7. And they still sell them. Not this one. I haven't found anything that looks like this one. I would imagine because they don't last very long. But they were a lot taller. They would be about that tall. This one, somebody used on houseplants, maybe. But it's seen better days. I'm not going to spend any time on it. Now I possibly could put some glue on those perforations there and like put some paint on the canvas. But I don't think it's worth the trouble because I'm not going to use it. It would be a shelf queen, if anything. Not going to be something I'm going to clean up or try and repair. It's just a rather unique thing that I found. Lots of stuff like that in the world.